Keep in mind, fruit, jellies, and jams are not whole foods because they've been processed. Corn syrup they've added, fructose, sugar, no good. Here's another thing I did. I went to the health food store and I ran into the deli in the refrigerated section, whoops, and I found a good choice for a sandwich. This is lentil spread. It's got lentils, it's got beans, which is a whole food, onions, miso, which is excellent, a little bit of tahini, which comes from sesame seeds, which is a whole food, and an organic whole wheat tortilla, little sea salt, and spices. So deli section, I was in and out. I thought about what I was going to put into my body because that's the place where I live. And here we go. You unwrap it. And there you go. Instead of your fast food burger, let me cut that up so you can take a look and see what it looks like. Yummy. Just basically lentils. Oh, it tastes good. It's a good source of protein and the good complex carbohydrates. Another thing you can do is the night before, put some salad in a container and take that to the office. Here I've put some mushrooms, and some cranberries, and salad dressing I'm going to get to next. I'm going to show you some good ways of making a salad dressing. I use all natural ingredients.